Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q5 front grille. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T25 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial for safety and visibility. Also, prepare a soft cloth or blanket to protect your vehicle's painted surfaces from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal. Now, let's begin by accessing the bumper. Locate and remove the 6 T25 Torx screws positioned along the top edge of the front bumper. These screws secure the bumper to the frame. Next, turn your front wheels inward, either left or right, to gain better access to the wheel well liners. You will find 3 T25 Torx screws in each wheel well liner that need to be removed. This step allows the bumper to be gently pulled away. With the screws removed, it's time to carefully detach the bumper. Gently pull the sides of the bumper away from the fender, releasing the clips. Work slowly and methodically to avoid damaging any paint or plastic. As you pull the bumper forward, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights or parking sensors. Once free, carefully place the entire bumper assembly onto a soft, protected surface to prevent scratches. Finally, with the bumper safely off, you can now access the grille. Locate the retaining clips around the perimeter of the grille from the back of the bumper. Use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully release these clips one by one. Once all clips are disengaged, gently push the grille forward and out of the bumper opening. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.